Hello everyone and welcome to my brand new show / series on this channel called Science Lab. Now, in this series we're going to be focusing on different types of science experiments you can do at home and ones you maybe can't but would be really cool to look at, you might think. So basically I'm going to be showing you different things that you can do throughout the series. So I have these brand new goggles. I have other ones. We're going to go ahead and peel the film off. Oof. And yeah, so we're going to go ahead and put these on real quick. Now, basically what is in this bottle so far is some, I'm going to fix my lab glasses because they're looking weird right there. So, basically, for this reaction, this is a safe one you can do at home, but you might want some safety glasses or goggles just in case. Basically, what you're going to need is some citric acid and baking soda. Now, if you want to color your reaction for the water, you're going to need water too. You can color it. I used some food coloring. You can color your water with anything you want, but for this I would recommend mica powder or buy colored baking soda if you want to, or you can color it with mica powder, or if you can't and you want to add food coloring, all you're going to need is baking soda or baking powder and some citric acid. And the citric acid, once you put it in and put water in or any kind of liquid, it's going to activate. So you might not want to try that with this. But if you do want, there are no specific measurements. However, the more of this you add, the more of a reaction you're going to get. So basically, right now, I have it in this big container. But we want to have a bigger reaction, so I'm going to move it to a smaller container. Well, I was going to move it to a smaller container. I actually think it might be a good idea to keep it in here, just so you guys can see the experiment more. But if you, as I was saying, if you are going to use food coloring to color it, you're going to want to color the baking soda or baking powder first. You're going to want to mix it up until it's colored, and then you're going to want to mix in the citric acid. And you can store that anywhere or put it in a thing like this, but do not add the food coloring afterwards if you are going to use food coloring. So real quick, I'm going to list down all of the ingredients in the description box below in case you guys want to try it. And yeah, we're about to see it going on. So I'm gonna bring you guys forward a little bit. Oof, I have my test tubes right there behind you guys. So just so you can see it better. 3, 2, 1. It's not as strong as a reaction as I thought. It's actually going quite slower than I thought. So, this is the same type of stuff that they use for volcanoes, except works better. I'm gonna add a little more water. So as you can see, because the mix with the citric acid, it's still bubbling. It kind of looks like Sprite. That's why I colored it like that, so it looks like carbonated Sprite almost. I'm not sure if you can see it, if the camera's picking it up, but it is still fizzing. I'm going to be quiet so you can hear it. Not sure if you can hear that or not, but I put this mess mat down because I knew that something like this would happen. Now I'm also going to be showing you how to clean these things up and how the reaction works. Now, the baking soda, if you just try it with baking soda, it will fizz. However, it will not have as strong as a reaction as it will with citric acid, just because citric acid is much stronger and it's very powerful. So when you add the citric acid to the baking soda, it makes a, when it mixes with the water, it kind of activates it, almost like slime. Like when you add an activator to a slime, it turns into something else gradually and gradually. But this is kind of the opposite when it comes to changing, because it does kind of, as slime, it kind of makes it instantly. Well, it doesn't make it instantly, and it kind of like builds up and becomes more over time. Well, as this, it is more of a quick reaction and then bubbles down or stops reacting over time. Unlike slime, where after quite a long time it will start to bubble down. So yeah, so that was pretty much the first video of Science Lab. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like on this video and comment down below if you want to see more of these videos. So yeah, I'll be making more. If you guys like it, I will be making more videos on how to do cool science experiments like this and many others at home. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, geeks!